Well, we just did a check of all the propane systems. Turned the propane tank on, the fridge, 2 tries, and it purged itself and came on. Water heater's working. The furnace works. And
AC.
Well, we know the AC works. But the 3-burner stove, everything working like a champ. And yet another RV upgrade we're going to do here for the television. We bought a king jack. Looks pretty simple. Pretty simple assembly. Installation is going to be pretty easy, I do believe. As you see, the old bat wing up there will be coming off in place of the king jack. So TV's supposed to be better. I've seen some pretty good stories from people that bought this and really had a lot of luck. So hopefully we'll be in the same boat. Well, we had a problem with the generator. So I just went on ahead and put a new spark plug in. What else? Fuel filter, and today I replaced the carburetor. Sounds like a big tedious job. It's tedious if you have big hands in a tight area, but this was the final outcome once I got the carburetor changed. It only took not quite an hour, so we'll see what happens. We'll start it up. Just that quick. I will put the link to the carburetor down below in the description. It's very inexpensive and it really is very simple to replace. The feedback that you will read on that carburetor is 100% true because it's still no disturbance right up. Also, another big deal that happened yesterday, I don't know the date, but anyway, a girl got 6 brand new tires. These are the Cooper Discover HT3s. They're 16-inch, they're not the 19.5 or 22.5 tires, so I'd actually thought about Toyos and almost bought Toyos, but this particular tire shop here locally said that these would be more than adequate enough, and after driving it, once they run here, I agree with them. They're pretty. They ride smooth, but they feel pretty firm. So, much better than what was on here. But it's looking like we're in pretty good shape with the generator fixed up now. Inside's getting ready to go back together. We're going to start storing stuff back in here again, and we're getting ready to go camping finally. So we'll be having some videos outside of us behind the screen. Maybe we'll get in front of the screen when we're out in nature a little more. So
This Winnebago?
yes,
In 1996. This is the first time that I have been in it in, 6 years. And Jerry, first time in about 2 years for him. So hey, you know, life gets in the way. But we decided that we're going to take it out. He did a lot of work on this beautiful vehicle. And we're going to go enjoy life. So if you got something that, you know, you can get out there and enjoy life, go out and enjoy life. All right. We're getting there.
Oh, we're there. We ain't getting there, we're there.
We're there.
This is us.
This is us. All right. Talk to you later. Okay, here we go.
Gotta cut that tree.
What was that?
I already broke one of my antennas already. Just a tree line.
Is that what that was?
Yeah, I gotta cut it.
I thought one of the cats went kerplunk. Well, this is our trip, first trip with both of our kitty cats, Samuel Lee and Butters. We'll show them in a little bit tonight, maybe. Hi, Jerry. kitty cats enjoyed the camping. First trip. There's Samuel E. Butters is somewhere. Hi, Sammy. You want to say hi? Hey, Sam. Sam. Hi, Sammy. Hi.